Hello and welcome back to Contech Hub. Today we are looking at the Forex trading as a digital skill. Want to explore it, want to know the challenges, the possibilities, the earning opportunities, the kind of character you will have for you to be able to succeed in Forex trading. So that is the aim of this video. It's part of the mindset reorientation, introduction to different courses, different digital skills. Today we are going to look at the forex trading. We have been hearing this for a whole lot of time, so we see how it goes here. But before then, as usual, I will have to take off this my ugly face. Then we concentrate on the screen and do it as fast as possible. Okay, let's go. Forex trading, mastering the psychology of money and global currency movements. We have been hearing about forex trading. Most of us are into forex trading, but this is a beginner friendly introduction to shaping your mind and give your expectation of forex trading. So let's see the definition of forex trading and see what it goes. What is forex trading? That's the question we have to answer now. As you can see from the simplest layman definition, say forex means foreign exchange, the buying and selling of currencies, e.g., US dollar, Great Britain pounds. So when you hear forex, FOR, that four there is for foreign, YEX is exchange. So it means exchanging of foreign currencies in the foreign or international market. So unlike some people look at it and see it as forest market, maybe you are doing something inside the forex. No, it's different ball game. So we have another thing you need to understand is that it is the world's largest financial market. So it is the market that your government is involved, the government of another country involved, the market movers, the financial institutions, the fintech, all of them, both private individuals, everybody is in that very market. So it's the world's largest market with over 6.6 trillion dollars in daily transaction. So it has over 6.6 market capitalization. No, we cannot actually say market cap, or there is no capitalization here. It's measured in transaction volume per day. So this is a lot of money here. It's just like ocean of money. That is when you hear people make millions of dollars. So you should not doubt them, thousands of dollars. You should not doubt them. It's possible you can make it in this market, and it's also possible you can dash the market, the one you have. It's just a moving ocean. If you are strong enough, you can fish, but if you are not, a little drop will move with the ocean. So that is what forex is about. That is a little definition we have. Let's see example of charts in the forex. You begin to, it's not, you begin to look at charts, you begin to look at your analysis, the technical and the fundamental analysis. So you look at charts, you look at candlesticks, and with that you make a decision either to buy a particular currency or to sell a particular currency, depending on your assumption, your prediction, or your speculation of the weak and stronger currency at that particular time and the pair you are trading. So when you look at something, you always say things like this: the red and the green candlestick. These are movement of securities. When securities does not actually mean the security guards, because you can say it's movement of these individual currencies. So when you see the red and you see the green is indicating buy, as you can see here, while the red is sell market. So you also see the profit as indicated there in the green. Then you see a movement that is neither upward or downward, is consolidating. So taking consolidating let's say it's resting at a time, whether to decide to go up or go down. You can see resistance and support. So in this chart, you will calculate, know when you buy, know when you sell, know when you take profit. You speculate where you think is the support that very stage where you think that the market will remain and will not break through to go downwards the more. That should be your support. And also have a pace that you believe that the market cannot exceed. There is an imaginary force pulling it that you cannot exceed. That is your resistance. With all this, you can now make an informed decision and know when to enter market. So I'm not explaining it in detail, but when you choose it as a digital skill you want to learn in Contact Hub, it will be explained very well for you. So let's see advantages of learning forex trade from the educational view of it. Let's see. Forex trade, forex trading teaches discipline and the emotional control. Yeah, if you're a forex trader, you should be disciplined and you have to control your emotion. It's something the market will teach you. A forex trader is not is if you look at them, they're always calm and reserved because the market has either wounded their emotions so many times and they have learned to be disciplined. So extravagant someone can might not actually succeed in this place. So you should have to be disciplined and your emotions should be under control. Yeah, you can have high BP here if you are not emotionally strong. Then it say improves understanding of global economics. Yeah, if you are a forex trader, when you begin to talk where your age group mates or where there is any contemporary decision, your contribution will be high because you understand when the dollar is strong, when pounds weak, when Canadian dollar is this. In fact, you even know when Nigerian naira is getting weak because of your vast knowledge in technical analysis and also fundamental analysis. You have to be up to date with the what is happening in the economics of the world, the social economical things and the news, political all around. So you have a very deep knowledge of the global economies, even while in your own country. Another advantage is a high income potential for skilled professionals. I emphasize this is for skilled professionals. If you are a professional, very skilled, have the chances of earning high income, very large amount of money that people might not even believe that you made it through this forex trade. So that is it. Also, it is flexible. It is flexible, which means it can be done from anywhere. You can trade. Some people, the last time I was in church, I was looking at someone was actually trading inside the church. So it's something I can do anywhere, but I will advise you only to trade when you are calm, when you should have your time to enter the market, when you are very sure that this is the right time to enter. So it's not just like gambling that you can just enter anytime and do whatever you want. So he said another one is build strong money psychology. Yeah, if you're a forex trader, you know the psychology of money. You begin to know the principles of being greedy when others are scared and they are being scared when others are greedy. So because these things are patterns, they repeat often. So when you study this pattern very well, you will now have deeper understanding of the money you have. So that is that for that. The last but not the least is that no physical product or office needed. You don't have to sell. You don't have to. How do they tell you have right refer to people, bring two people, and two people will bring another two people. No, nobody even have your time. You don't have to bring anybody apart from yourself. So nobody even know what you're doing. You can be in your room and you'll be making your money or whatever without any physical office. These are the few advantages that will make you consider forex trade. So we not leave you that we also, as usual, expose you to the challenges or risk we might actually see here. There is forex trading is not without challenges and risks. So let's see what some of the challenges that you face here, so that you prepare before time and deal with them. We have very risky without experience. In fact, it's risky with experience, but now very risky without experience. So if you are not experienced, you just learn the basics to place, sell, and buy. You enter the market, I guarantee you that you are likely going to lose all your money. So it's a very risky asset. It's very risky. That is why it's not meant for children. So it requires strong emotional control. Yeah, when I started trading, I was very much devastated. In fact, I went to a program, a church program. I was conducting a choir practice while my trade was minus 56%. Like the stop loss was not placed. It was intended to be a quick one, but it slipped, and I was actually hoping for a turn, but to no avail. So that very night, I have to end everything abruptly, and people did not know why. So emotionally, you have to be strong. If you are too emotional, my brother, this is not for you, because you could just be remembering your $2,000 that you lost 2 months, and that agony will accompany you for the rest of the year, and it might prevent you from winning. So another thing is, market is unpredictable. No matter how professional you are, all we do is we speculate, and when the speculation works, because from our analysis we win. So, but at the time you see you have done everything right, but the market surprises you and take the other lane. You not kill yourself, because it is just unpredictable. No matter how you do it, it can also surprise you sometime. So that is one of the challenges that is in this forex market or forex trading. Another one is not suitable for minors. This is not what a minor can do. It's for adults. Yeah, it's for adults. There are a lot of reasons. I will also tell you why it's not suitable for minor. There is a requires stable income. Yeah, you need to have a stable income support. This is for beginners in trading. So maybe if you have one for a long period of time, you can begin to sustain yourself even with the trading money. But as a beginner, you should have something you're doing, and maybe taking the profit or your salary, part of your salary, to put in the forex and learn. So if you don't have anything you're doing, you use your last card that you want to enter into forex, and forex will start paying you, my brother. You're lying for yourself. So you should actually have something supporting you that is stable, so that you can learn the forex trading as a passive way of earning. So I strongly advise you have something to support your forex journey. So another one is it needs mentorship and practice. No matter how good you are, you have to practice consistently, so that the market is dynamic, many things changes, and also you need a mentor. You need a mentor. So a mentor will make you walk what was supposed to be 10,000 miles within 10 miles. So a mentor has already gone it and they made the mistakes. A mentor will not allow you to make such mistakes. So in one way or the other, you need a mentor, a group of mentors, to guide you through this very volatile, risky market full of opportunities and as well as disappointment. So we have a high risk of over trading. Yeah, this is why we say it's not suitable for minor. A minor, high risk over trading. You have the tendency of being addicted, just like gambling. I've seen someone in the universities those days. He's a good trader, but he overtrades. So there is something called overtrading. This guy is always at work, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. So even if he is making money, as he says he makes money, it's not showing in his body. He looks so malnourished, not always looking good. So what is the essence of trading morning, noon, and night without sleeping? Then you're making money. That is not a good money. So he doesn't know that he was very much addicted. So too much of everything is not good. So when you are trading, if you are not cautious enough, you could be having small wins and big wins, and from there you get addicted, and it is risky. It's risky to get addicted. So these are the challenges we have in forex trading, and I believe I have explained it very well. And you should understand that this is not a get rich quick scheme. So it's some that is how we treat it. That if I enter into forex the next month and cashing out, no, this is not it. It is a strategy. It is something you have to. It's a skill you have to master. Then you begin to earn from your mastery. So it's not something you enter today and become rich tomorrow. So if you treat it that way, you are likely going to lose, and you give bad testimony about trading. So that is the challenges we have in this trading. You should take a good look at them, and also determine if this is for you or not. Then we have duration of learning. We have 1 to 2 months basics. You can start using your demo accounts to do 1 or 2 things. When practical experience, 6 to 12 months, you can enter the market and be cautious. But for 2 to 3 years, if you are there, you are master of your own. So if you are there, you can make your decision and stand by the consequences of your decision. So remastery takes time and discipline. That is the keynote here. It takes time and discipline to be a master in forex trading. Then we have career paths. What can you get beyond trading? What other career paths we have? We have forex analyst. Yeah, someone who analyzes the forex markets. You can be a market researcher. You research the tools and research other things, and bring the information to people that this is actually what is happening in the market. So we have a strategy developer. Another thing is to be a strategy developer. These people, you can go in the internet, you see some people, what they are doing is they tell you, join my Telegram channel, I will give you signals and the rest of them. Maybe they have developed some strategies, and they use those strategies to make money. So it's a career path. We have a risk management. Some people are risk managers. Some people can trade, but they don't know how to manage their risk. So some people that already are risk managers, we have to tell them, say, okay, this is the amount of money you are going to use. Out of $10,000, use this. This is how you deal with your portfolio and the rest of them. So that is risk management. So we have financial educator. In this industry, after everything we tell you, do your own research. Okay, do your own research. DYOR. But a financial educator, if you employ or seek the services of a financial educator, the person is actually going to give you his words that this is what you're going to do. Maybe when things fail, you hold the person responsible. Can be a financial thing. So we have earning opportunities. We have earning opportunities. You have to know some of the earning opportunities. You have financial analyst role. You can be creating trading journals and tools for people to use. You can be paid mentorship. You can school people, teach them how to trade. The rest of them, that is paid mentorship, is part of it. You can as well trading psychology content creation. You can, since you're a trader, you can start content creating with your skill, and you can be signal analyst roles in institutions like bank. You begin to analyze signals for them. Okay, who is trading suitable for? With all this discussed, you should know that trading is actually not suitable for everyone. It's not everyone. So if you have one of these traits or characteristics, you can trade. You have a strong control. You have strong emotional control. You must control yourself, and you must be patient and disciplined. You know that winning is for a long term purpose. You don't just come today and start winning now. You have to be disciplined. You like working with numbers and data and charts. If you are someone that numbers, digits and charts, you're not comfortable with charts, you have no business here, because you're actually going to look at charts, get history, and make forecast. If you think logically and objectively, this is for you. You have to be logical. So when you develop your strategy, even if the market is going against that strategy, you still follow the rules. Be logical about it. So don't just because something is not going well, you begin to do something different. If you are willing to learn before earning, it's not that you just want to enter forex trading for you to be able to pay your next month house rent. This is not for you. So you should be able to understand. You have to learn before earning. Then if you are comfortable making decisions under uncertainty, because there is no certainty in this industry, everything you're projecting, there is high level of uncertainty. So if you are not comfortable making decision where something is not 100% certain, you could be very much undecisive throughout. So you might not be going forth or back. So you should be able to make decision under some kind of level of uncertainty. So that is that. That is it. Thank you for watching, and choose wisely, please. Thank you.